Hello and welcome to a bonus video from the from Doncaster Station in the north. While we're here, why don't we have a look around Doncaster Station and see the trains that are rushing through leading into the rush hour. I think this is going to be quite fun. Now I hope you enjoyed the Platform Zero videos. I certainly enjoyed going around the country and seeing stations I've never been to before. But now being in the north makes it slightly easier, so I know where I'm going. I mean, it's not York, I admit, but where else in the north are you going to see South Eastern, Chiltern and two random cross-country carriages? And some snow ploughs. Now when it comes to interchanging down to London, I do like Doncaster Station. I actually do like it because it's just a nice station to be in. You get Azumas going through, Lumos going through, Grand Centrals when they're not cancelled because of more trains than normal needing work on than normal. Okay. So let's see what else we see here at Doncaster. I mean, I actually have enjoyed the past few days. I mean, we did National Express to Cardiff, Platform Zeros, National Express from Leeds to Manchester, and then this video was a bit of a bonus one because I didn't realise I'd be in Doncaster for as long as I am. I thought, you know what, an extra video would not go amiss.
Is the 16:35 Northern service.
Yeah, we can't get that.
Sheffield, Conisbrough, Mexborough, Swinton, Rotherham Central and Sheffield. Platform 8 for the 16:35 Northern service to Sheffield.
Please mind the step when...
Do you know, Network Rail woman, Network Rail needs to start paying me royalties. They're getting in my videos. Imagine that email. Dear Network Rail, can you please give me royalties? You're getting in my videos. What are you doing? I've just noticed here at Doncaster Station we've got Coffee Rivalry. We've got Starbucks on Platform 4 and we've got Costa on Platform 3. What are they going to do? Now, for those who don't know, my favourite is personally Nero. I mean, the other two are good, but it's not Nero, is it? You know what I mean? Get to have a pint out of there, but that needs to change when I'm off my medication. I'm really not used to Doncaster Station being this quiet. It's like I've got here when all the train action's finished. While it is quiet. Again? I just want to say to everyone who watches the videos, whether you watch 30 seconds, a minute, all of it, it means a lot. Keep subscribing. I'm going to start thinking what I'm going to do for 300 because I think we're at 230 at the minute, so I've got a bit of time. I said that when I was at 100 and we reached 200 pretty quickly. So I think, yeah, I'm going to start thinking what I'm doing for 300 and plan ahead because I actually enjoy my videos now. There was a time last year when I kept like intermittent, like do like a few weeks then drop for a few weeks, but now I'm just trying to get them out on a Monday and sometimes work gets in the way. I apologise. Paul, that's not an excuse. You need to plan more. You're right, I do. So we'll do that going forward. We'll plan more. We'll get the videos out in short order every Monday, 9 AM.
This is a security message.
Because we've done platform zeros. We've done.
The British Transport Police on 61016.
Yeah, we've done quite a lot of videos.
Say it, sorted.
What do we do for 300? Like, seriously. Give me some suggestions in the comments. And a couple of videos back, remember that special that was at London King's Cross that I really wanted to get on? Well, it just so happens it's coming into Doncaster. Who wants to see it again? Put your hand up. So guess what? Here it is.
Of the 1643 LNER service to Leeds. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation.
I wish I'd booked the late ticket now on that train.
Mind the step when boarding this train. And be aware this platform does not have tactile paving at the edge.
I was thinking to myself, what am I going to use for a thumbnail? I think I might have found the answer. That beautiful thing. There's just something special about seeing an LNER in that livery and seeing it being pulled by two of them. It's pretty special. And do you know what? One day we will get on that. It's one of those things, I could book a ticket and it won't be that one. I'll be booking Leeds to London tickets constantly going, get me on that train. But yeah, we did the intercity one from Crewe. I really want to do that one now. The train gods weren't smiling on me today, sadly. Maybe next time. Those of you tuning in to this Doncaster video expecting TP Express Novas and TP Express 185s, I hate to disappoint you, but most of them have been cancelled. So I think we're going to get LNER on the regular, a couple of Northerns, maybe a Lumo, who knows. But we could have a train. Or maybe a Grand Central. But I don't think we'll get any Transparent Express action. I apologise. I mean, they have gone under, well, they are going to go under government control. Whether that makes any difference to how TP Express have been performing, I do not know. As much as I'd love to say, oh yeah, they'll be fine now, it'd be great. I'm not holding my breath. Most train companies now are under government ownership. They're not LNER, as far as I'm aware. Avanti were or are. Transparent Express are. Northern, potentially. Honestly. I actually wonder what the next stage for the rail network's going to be now, because like prices are going up, trains are being cancelled. It's cheaper to go around Germany than it is to get a ticket to go anywhere in Britain. It's a joke. Germany, I remember that, yeah. And I loved the ICE. I've got to do that again as well. I mean, I admit there's not much else happening, but I don't know when I'll see another in 6225. But we're going to watch this leave. So I'm just going to go and show you the departure board here at Doncaster Station right now. So, Liverpool Lime Street cancelled. Adwick arriving any time now. LNER Azuma on time. One's late and Birmingham New Street.
Phoenix. This is due to a broken down train. We're sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 4 from the 17:05 LNER service to York. York only. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 422, standard class in zones 10 to 5.
This video is becoming the Azuma show. Every other train, Azuma, Azuma, Azuma. It's like, give something a bit different, please. No. Different? Nah, you don't want different. You want another Azuma. I'm like, no, I don't. Not again.
Meadowhall and Sheffield. Platform 6 of the 1724 Northern service to Leeds. 1710 LNER Azuma service to Edinburgh is delayed by approximately 18 minutes. This is due to a broken down train.
Oh look, we've got something different. We've got Northern.
Take longer than planned.
Yay, we've got Northern.
The available seating. Platform 1 for the 1718 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. First class accommodation can be found in zones 1 to 3. Standard class
that's
in
a Northern.
zones 4 to 9.
Tickets marked Great Northern or Thameslink are not valid on this service.
Platform 3B for the 1720 Northern service to Sheffield. Call it Meadowhall and Sheffield.
Well, I think there's a way to finish a video. A Northern is not a bad way to finish. And that is it for the short but sweet video here at Doncaster Station. Do hope you enjoyed as much as I did. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to never miss a video. And with the coffee cup, we'll see you in the next one.